what's up? So check this out. I want to do this quick video just to show the importance of time. I think we lose sight of that. Time is more important than money, and we don't prioritize our time the right way. You know, most people won't even take an hour out of the day to learn a new skill, or read a book, or find something that they can go ahead and apply it to their life and change their current situation. Most of the time we'll go look at Netflix and binge on a Netflix show for hours. Most of the Netflix shows are at least 45 to an hour long. So if you have a series of 10 shows, you sit there and binge watch the whole series. Now you just wasted 10 hours of your life that you'll never get back on purely entertainment. So be disciplined. Prioritize your time. I don't have a problem with Netflix. I watch it myself. But listen, why not go into YouTube, spend an hour looking at videos, learning a new skill that you can go ahead and apply right now. Read a book, learn something new. It only takes an hour out of the day, and people don't want to do the hard stuff. People don't want to take that hour and learn something new. What I did was I created a book, an ebook, Checks Over Fear. It shows you how to get into real estate with little to no money, no credit. All you have to do is take the time to study the material, and you can go ahead and apply those skills right now and change, the situation that you're in. You also can change what's to come for your generations. You learn how to create generational wealth just by taking an hour out of your day. So let's learn how to prioritize time. It's too much information out there right now. It's too much free game that we can learn right now. In this pandemic, it has showed us that we can make our own, we create our own income. We don't need a job. You can use your job to help invest in your dreams, but you have to be disciplined with your time. So go out right now, go to YouTube, read a book, find something that's gonna help you benefit yourself and your family. It only takes an hour out of your day. Do that every day, and I guarantee you'll find a new skill that you go ahead and apply. But go to checksoverfear.com, get the ebook, download the ebook, go ahead and get started today. And hey, God has blessed our hands. Just like he blessed another man or another woman, he'll do the same for you. But you got to put in the work. You got to put in the time. So trust God, and let's get it.